Welcome to the Food Safety and Quality Management Program. Let's explore the critical aspects of ensuring food quality and safety. Food safety practices and implementation. Food safety practices protect public health, evolving with history and science. History and basic sciences supporting food safety. Food safety's history stems from grasping food-borne diseases' impact aided by microbiology and chemistry. Surveillance and investigation. Surveillance and investigation identify food hazards, prevent outbreaks, and safeguard consumers. Substances added to food. We will learn why food additives must meet strict safety criteria for consumers' well-being. Food technologies and food commodities. Food technology advances shape the industry. The safety of food commodities prevails. We will learn and discover many other aspects of food safety and quality management in this course. The objectives of the food safety and quality management courses are to update candidates' food safety management skills and knowledge. Food safety focuses on the scientific handling, preparation, and storage of food to prevent foodborne illnesses. It encompasses laws and processes safeguarding the well-being of employees, the public, and the environment. Typically overseen by a dedicated food quality department, these courses ensure the health and safety of individuals. Completing the online diploma program in food safety offers career growth opportunities in the global food industry. It's essential to integrate health, safety, and environmental aspects into all aspects of our lives and to ensure a healthier, safer future for everyone. This course offers internationally recognized content preparing you for food safety and quality management opportunities. World-renowned experts will guide your learning journey, supported by 24/7 available assistance, ensuring an exceptional educational experience. Career opportunities in food safety and quality management include food inspector, quality control analyst, auditor, regulatory compliance officer, and consultant. You can work both in the government and private sectors. We invite you to explore our comprehensive syllabus for in-depth details. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Sign up today and embark on a journey of knowledge and growth.